The process of conducting a data science project. Data science is not just about algorithms or models. It is a problem-solving discipline that combines domain knowledge, data, and analytical thinking to deliver real-world value. A successful data science project follows a structured and iterative lifecycle, ensuring that insights and models align with business goals. 1. Problem understanding, business understanding. Every project starts with why. What exact problem are we trying to solve? Who are the stakeholders? What does success look like? KPIs, ROI, impact. This phase involves translating a business problem into a data science problem. A poorly defined problem leads to wasted effort, even with advanced models. Example, reducing customer churn, predicting which customers are likely to leave. 2. Data collection. Once the problem is clear, the next step is gathering relevant data. Sources may include internal databases, SQL, data warehouses, APIs, social media, finance, weather, web scraping, logs, sensors, or third-party datasets. Key insight. High-quality, relevant data is often more valuable than complex models. 3. Data cleaning and preparation. This is the most time-consuming phase, often 60 to 80% of the project. Tasks include handling missing or inconsistent values, removing duplicates and outliers, correcting data types, feature engineering, creating meaningful variables, scaling and encoding data. Clean data equals reliable results. Dirty data equals misleading insights. 4. Exploratory data analysis, EDA. EDA helps you understand your data before modeling. You explore distributions and trends, correlations between variables, anomalies and hidden patterns, common tools, histograms, box plots, scatter plots, correlation matrices, summary statistics. Goal, generate insights and guide model selection. 5. Model building. Now you choose algorithms based on the problem type. Classification, logistic regression, decision trees, random forest, XGBoost. Regression, linear regression, ridge, lasso. Clustering, k-means, discan. Time series, ARIMA, LSTM. Best practice. Start with simple baseline models, then improve incrementally. 6. Model evaluation. A model is only useful if it performs well in the real world. Evaluation depends on technical metrics, accuracy, precision. Recall F1, score, RMSEME, AUC. Business metrics, cost savings, revenue impact, risk reduction. A slightly less accurate model that delivers business value is often better than a perfect one that doesn't. 7. Deployment. This is where data science becomes actionable. Models can be deployed as APIs, dashboards, Power BI, Tableau, embedded systems in apps or websites, automated decision pipelines. Deployment ensures that insights reach end users. 8. Monitoring and maintenance. Deployment is not the end. You must monitor model performance, detect data drift and concept drift, retrain models with new data, update features and thresholds. Real-world data changes. Models must adapt. Key takeaway. A data science project is not complete when the model is built. It is complete only when it consistently delivers measurable value. Question for you. Which phase do you enjoy the most? Data cleaning, EDA, modeling, or deployment?